Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, hi, my name is Raliat. Have you ever looked at your space and realized that something was off? You're not alone in this. In this video, I'll be discussing reasons why your interior design sucks and why your interior design is not living up to its fullest potential. And most importantly, how you can turn things around. Let's get right into the video. Lack of cohesion. One of the major reasons why your interior design might not look great is because your furniture and your colors and decor are not cohesive and they don't seem to work together and can leave your space looking really confusing. A tip would be to have a cohesive design that ties everything together seamlessly. Reason number two will be ignoring the power of scale. Scale matters a lot in design. Using an overly large furniture in a really small space or a small furniture in a really large space can throw off the balance of your design and make your interior look awkward. Instead, make sure you find the furniture that fits the space and strikes the right balance. Tip number three would be neglecting functionality. Your space might look stunning, but if it doesn't serve the purpose for which it was intended to, then it is not a functional design. A tip would be to prioritize functionality without compromising on style so that the space looks great and it also works for you. Reason number four would be cluttered and disorganized spaces. The most beautiful space or design can look really chaotic if it is disorganized or cluttered. Make sure you find storage solutions that keep your space organized and visually appealing. Reason five would be fear of taking risks. I know that sometimes it is not good to go overboard with design, but sometimes you need to step out of your comfort zone and embrace a little creativity and uniqueness to make your space stand out. Reason six, which is very important, is poor lighting choices. Lighting can make or break your space. Improper lighting in certain areas of your space can leave your space looking really dull or too harsh. Make sure you select the right light for the right space. And don't forget to have various lighting sources like your table lamps, your floor lamps, your ceiling lamps, and your wall scones, and create the perfect lighting scheme for your space. And the last reason why your space might not look like its best is because you're not seeking professional advice. Sometimes bringing in a professional is all the difference that you need to make between taking your space from mid to exactly where you want it to be, where you feel comfortable, where the space is functional, and where the aesthetics is exactly what you want it to be. There are great benefits of working with interior designers to bring your dream space to life. And there you have it. Those are the main reasons why your interior design or why your space might not be reaching its full potential. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and let me know in the comment section what reason you think your space doesn't look great or what advice you would want me to give to make your space look better than what it is now. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.